Welcome to our video on investing in cryptocurrency. While some traders have made fortunes in this market, many others have lost significant amounts of money. So, how can you invest in crypto without risking everything? In this video, we'll discuss several strategies that can help you minimize your risk and potentially profit from this volatile market. Strategy 1. Buy on the dips. If you believe in the long-term potential of cryptocurrency, treat your portfolio like a stock portfolio. Look for opportunities to buy additional coins or tokens when the market experiences significant dips. By doing so, you can build your wealth if you've selected cryptocurrencies that prove to be long-term winners. Strategy 2. Choose cryptocurrencies with purpose. With thousands of cryptocurrencies available, it's essential to choose those that serve a clear purpose and have a competitive advantage over their peers. Conduct research on the white papers of the cryptos you're considering, and focus on those with a clear utility and a long-term viability. Strategy 3. Diversify your holdings. Crypto investments are speculative by nature, so diversifying your holdings is critical to minimizing risk. Spread your investments among several cryptos with long-term potential, which should increase your chances of finding long-term winners while decreasing your chances of losing your entire portfolio. Strategy 4. Consider day trading. Day trading is a high-risk, high-reward strategy that can potentially earn you significant sums of money in a short period of time. However, it's essential to understand the market and the trading patterns of the crypto you're interested in. Only attempt day trading if you have a solid understanding of the market and the discipline to stick to a methodical investment strategy. Strategy 5. Become a miner. Crypto mining can be a way to earn coins by validating transactions on the blockchain. However, mining is highly competitive, and it's often difficult for an individual miner to compete against large companies with vast server farms. Look for established mining pools with a proven track record, and remember that there are no guarantees in this space. Strategy 6. Participate in forks and airdrops. Forks and airdrops are promotions that can provide free cryptocurrency to investors. Participating in these handouts can be a way to accumulate excess cryptocurrency, which can help you build long-term wealth. Keep an eye out for new cryptocurrencies released by developers or changes to existing cryptocurrencies that grant free coins to existing holders. Investing in cryptocurrency is inherently speculative and risky. However, by employing these strategies, you can minimize your risk and potentially profit from this volatile market. Always remember to only invest what you can afford to lose, and approach investing in crypto with caution. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and happy investing.